Friends, today I'm going to show that how to add and use widgets on iOS 17. Friends, to add and use widgets on iOS 17. This long press here on the home screen. After the tap on plus sign at the top left corner, you please scroll down, my friends, and see these all other widgets, right? They simply can slip from here. Otherwise, you can tap on stars aren't right reminders. Step on reminders. And this is the My Friends format. Which format you like? So I like the first one. This one, after keeping on the screen, the first one. Or if you don't like, then tap on Add Widget and it will be added on the skin. Then tap on Add Widget and it will be added on the screen. Anything, my friends. And I can tap on reminders on it. Broken. Then go back. Now, if you want to can use this one, my friends. You can tap on new reminder. At least, right? Lots of option. You can use it easy. So friends, like this, you can add and use with AS on iOS 17 of iPhone. If you want, friends, too, add and use with AS on iOS 17 of iPhone. If you face any problem, feel free to ask in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible, friends. If this video helps you, please like, share, comment, especially subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell. I can take it next video. Notifications. Thank you for watching.